Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
fam.
Yeah, fam.
Hey guys, it's your girl Ahavaya, also known as Juliet. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. And I make videos on plants, mostly plants. And yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Stay a little while, get comfortable. If you enjoy the videos, give me a like. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I drop a video. But yes, let's get into the video, okay? This Ficus Benjamina, which has mushrooms growing in the pot. So I'm not sure where they came from, but I'm thinking that it's from the period of time when I had this pot outside at the beginning of summer. I took it out so that it could get some sun and, possibly grow bigger. But when I brought it out there, it started getting sunburned. So the leaves started to get burned, and it wasn't happy. So I brought it back in, and that was that. I've noticed for the last few weeks now it's been growing mushrooms. So the first time I saw them, I took them out and sprayed it with hydrogen peroxide. But I probably should have done a drench. I'm not too sure if that would have helped, but they grew back again, full-blown pot full of mushrooms. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take the pot out. Take the plant and the root ball out of the pot, and I think I'm going to get rid of all the soil, spray it off. And for now, I think I'm going to put it in water. I'm going to put the whole plant in water if possible. I think I'm going to put it in this right here. In water, and give it a little bit of time so that I could be sure that there aren't any leftover spores in the root ball or on the roots itself. So we'll see how that goes, but that's what I'm going to do for now, and I'll keep updating you guys on the progress of this plant. But it's one of my favorite plants. When I picked it up, it was full of leaves, and then it took, when I brought it home, it took a while for me to adjust to its care, and I lost like so much of its leaves. But this is it now, grown. It was about, I'm losing leaves right now. That's because I stopped watering it. It's pretty dry. The soil is pretty dry because I didn't want to keep feeding these mushrooms, but they are shriveling up as well. Anyways, so it's due for watering, so I'm just gonna hurry up and get this done. But as I said, it was actually about this small up to here when I first got it. So all of this growth here is new. And yes, I did lose a lot of leaves, but I have also seen a lot of growth. So it's still hanging in there, and we're going on strong. But once in a while, I do some pruning of some of the dead branches, and we just keep it moving. But yeah, look, I just damaged one of its branches. Not good. Okay, so you guys use your clippers, your shears, your scissors when you are pruning your plants so that you don't damage them like I did mine just now. But anywho, all right, so now we're gonna go outside and deal with that Ficus Benjamina. I need to get rid of that mushroom cluster that's under there, so that the spores don't spread around our living area and get into other pots, and start growing more colonies of mushroom. And yeah, we don't want that. So follow me outside. All right. Okay. Okay, you're you're in it. My gosh. All right, guys. So we are outside, and you're still in it. You're in my background. Can you move? You can't hide behind a tree like that, or behind that tree. Okay. Anyways, so here we go, guys. Here are the mushrooms. So I'm gonna try my best to get rid of all the soil, and then I'm actually gonna just give it a good rinse and wash it all off, so I'm sure I get all the spores and everything off. But I'll be using this box today to put the soil in, and then I'm gonna get rid of it. So let's see. Oh, okay. All right. I might not need to get rid of the whole thing. I might get away with just getting rid of the top. Oh! Alright. Here's a neighbor again.
A few minutes later.
But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna try and get rid of just the top portion. But it looks like there might be some spores all along. See those white patches? Yeah, I think I need to get rid of that. I might just stick to my original plan of just getting rid of all the soil altogether. Because I don't know how deep this goes. It's a lot of white. Like, I just pulled off this soil over here. You see this white patch? Oh, it's not good. Now I'm gonna try, I think I'm gonna put it in the water. I'm gonna put it in water and see how it does with that before I repot it into soil, into a soil medium, because this is nasty. I should probably be wearing gloves right now, but it's too late. I'll make sure I wash my hands before I touch anything or before I go back inside. I hope I'm not damaging the roots too much. I found mushroom deep within the soil. Yeah. I gotta sneeze. Whew, excuse me.
Hey guys! Where did the mushrooms go on?
I took them off. They're in the bin. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Ugh, look at all of this. This is not good. Ew. Look at this. Mold. Fungus. Whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I just gotta get rid of this.
Is it getting late, Mom?
Yeah, of course it's getting late.
Mom, we've been out here for so long.
You have? How long is long?
It was so long. It's longer than you thought. And you thought.
Okay.
You thought.
Now you know. We're not doing this.
I hear that new workout.
Is that what that sound is?
Daddy doing
Yeah.
workout.
Can't save this. This soil. Soil is no good. Huh? No. Can't save it. I was gonna thinking of just taking off the top portion where the mushroom were. But like all throughout the soil, it's just moldy.
Stop! Is the mushroom the reason why? What's it called? It died?
It's not dead. This plant is not dead.
I mean, it can't be saved.
The soil can't be saved. That's what I mean.
Oh.
Okay. Can you move, please? Okay, Naya. Move, please. Thank you. Okay, this is... Okay, so I got most of the soil, some of the soil out, but I think I'm gonna have to use the hose for the rest. So I just realized that my camera wasn't recording. It wasn't recording this last little bit that I was doing. Anyway, yeah, so just using the hose, using the setting here, and it's working just fine. So yeah, you guys missed a whole bit about my okra plants that I have here. One here, and one was like right over here, but it's gone, it's missing. I don't know what happened to it, but this one I got one okra plant, like one okra pod from it. And then the next day I came back and the whole top part, the part that was growing, was broken off. So I don't know which animal did that, but that was kind of rude. So that's that. The other one that was right over here is no longer here, but yeah, I was saying to pardon my garden at the beginning of the season, at the beginning of summer. I had it looking so nice and neat. And I grew some radishes all the way down in that area over there. And they grew a little. And then we had some air conditioning, some AC techs come look at the air conditioner, and they stepped on them. So that was that. So since then I haven't bothered paying this garden any mind, and this is why it looks like this, a crazy hot mess. But I will clean it up before winter comes. I'll get rid of all of these weeds and plants, and actually there are a lot of peppermint plants. Like this is a peppermint plant that grows around here. It's like everywhere, but this whole garden bed was full of peppermint before I manicured this area. And now it is looking a mess again. But this is looking good. I've gotten most of the soil out.
A few minutes later.
You don't have to wait, Naya. Okay, don't hold on to the tripod, okay? Okay, Naya. Okay. Naya. All right, Naya. Hopefully they heard you because the mic is on my shirt right now. All right, let me see. Okay, Naya, move please. Thank you.
My mom loves plants. She loves
Okay.
plants. She's a planting girl.
All right. I think that's okay. Naya, move. So I'll be putting my Ficus Benjamina in this for now and water, and we'll go from there. Give it a quick rinse. Next time we're gonna put some water in here. I'm probably gonna need some pebbles or some rocks or something to hold the root down and the plant in place, but yeah, let's see how that goes. All right. Yeah, it's not gonna stay. I need to put some rocks or some pebbles around it. Something to keep it stabilized. But at least I got the mushrooms out from around it. We'll figure the rest of this out. Oh, it's standing. Okay. Oh, the water's dirty already, but it's no surprise. I'm gonna have to keep. Ooh, I almost broke the glass. The vase. Okay, let me give it fresh water. And we'll see how it does, guys. I'll keep you guys posted on the progress of this plant. Hopefully I haven't made a big mistake in putting it in water. I'll let you know. Alright, so that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll keep you guys posted on all my plants that you guys know. I'm thinking of doing a plant tour, a living room plant tour soon, just to show you guys what's happening with my plants. And I'm also thinking about doing a video where I show you guys the progress between the plants when I first got them and now. And I can see my son in the background video bombing this part. But anywho, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye bye.
Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and turn on the notification bell. Okay.
Yeah, fam.
Yeah.